Hey everybody, this is George Summer here from Jacksonville State Education, and we help everyday people escape their 9 to 5 and get on the path to build true wealth through real estate investing. Often people come to me and say, George, I am sick and tired of my boss. I hate my boss. I don't like the company I work for. They have me do more stuff than I should. I want to call in sick every day. All I'm doing is just fulfilling their dreams. I'm fulfilling my company's dreams. Basically, what I want is time. And I want freedom. I want to start building true wealth, and I want to do it by investing in myself and into real estate. But I don't know how to start. I don't know how to get into this. So one of the best ways that you can get into real estate is by doing a strategy, what we call wholesaling. Wholesaling is a strategy to where there's two different ways to do this. Basically, what you do is find a seller, you put a property under contract at a discount, and then what you do is flip the contract for a higher price. So there's two different ways. I'm going to go and explain this in detail. The first way is to wholesale real estate is by actually doing an assignment wholesale deal. This is when you find a seller, they need to sell the property, and let's say they need to sell the property for $100,000. You put this property under contract for $100,000. And then now what you do? What you do is you start marketing to find another buyer. That's where to go out there and step into your shoes and act on the contract in its price and terms and everything that's in the contract, but for a higher price than what you put it under for. Say $100,000 for your seller. Now you find a buyer that's willing to step into your shoes and buy that contract for $110,000. So now what you do is you sign the assignment of real estate contract with them. They take the property to closing table in a matter of days or even weeks, depends, with the seller that you entered originally into agreement, and then with your cash buyer. Then basically you take the chunk that was right in the middle, which was $10,000, right? $100,000 for the seller, $110,000 is what the cash buyer is going to pay for it. That is the assignment of real estate. It's very, very, very powerful. You have to do this the right way and the legal way though. But look at what you just did. You didn't have any of your own money. You didn't have to have any of your own credit. You basically created a side business where you just made $10,000 and you can do deals in a matter of a couple of weeks. That is assignment of real estate. Now, the second way to wholesale real estate is actually what we prefer to do. That is the double close method of wholesale real estate. That is when you buy a property, you actually take title to the property, don't do anything to the property except maybe clean it. It depends on the house. We secure private funding to close on the property, and then what we do is remarket the property like crazy for a higher price. You're gonna make more money on these double close deals where you close on for a big fat profit. So we go out there, we buy it, we take title, we promptly resell it and make a chunk of money. So it's very, very quick, a normal transaction, but that's wholesaling. So wholesaling is a great way as a real estate investor to go out there and start to make a boatload of money very, very quickly through the assignment or the double close methods. We highly recommend when you're brand new to start off with wholesaling because you can make very quick money, a lot of money, and you can do these things very, very often. All you have to do is just find the right deals. So if you got any value out of this, comment below and feel free to share this video. I enjoyed recording it for you. See you on the flip side.